Hello everyone, my name is Mate and I'm a third-year student at the Biotechnology BSc program of the Faculty of Pharmacy, University of Pécs. Let's take a closer look into why our program might be the perfect choice for starting your higher education journey. The 3-year Biotechnology BSc program can be divided into two main parts. In the first 3 semesters, you will acquire knowledge necessary for laboratory work in the fields of physics, biology, and chemistry. From the very first semester, you will have the opportunity to participate in lab practices where you will carry out basic biological measurements, physical-chemical reactions, and titrations. Starting from the 4th semester, you will dive deeper into the diverse branches of biotechnology. You will explore the basics of immunology, genetics, gene technology, and molecular biology, synthesizing all the knowledge you've gained in the earlier semesters. In the final 2 semesters, you will gain real-world insights into environmental, agricultural, and industrial biotechnology through specialized courses. After your second year, you will complete a 6-week summer internship. This is a great chance to work in various research labs and expand your technical skills and expertise. In addition to the serious scientific subjects, you will also develop your soft skills through courses like bioethics, communication, and management. The entire course is taught in English, which broadens your access to international opportunities. After finishing your bachelor's degree, you will be able to choose from a wide variety of master's programs where you can apply the gained laboratory skills with an even sharper focus. If you're interested in genetic engineering, analytics, working with human, plant, animal, or even bacterial cells, and you can imagine working in a laboratory, we look forward to welcoming you to the Biotechnology BSc program at the Faculty of Pharmacy, University of Pécs.